Nike is set to drop the Victor Wembanyama x Nike GT Cut 4 All-Star during NBA All-Star Weekend, bringing a mix of high performance and eye-catching style. This player-exclusive sneaker features a futuristic design with a rainbow-like iridescent shell on the lateral side and heel, while the medial panel shines in metallic bronze, giving the shoe a dynamic, moving look even when still. Alien-inspired graphics near the heel highlight Wembanyama's unique off-court style, and details like a mini swoosh on the toe, offset lacing, and brown suede on the tongue complete the bold design. Unlike past GT Cut player editions, this model leans toward wearable concept design rather than typical team sneakers. Nike often uses all-star releases to hint at upcoming trends, and this pair continues that legacy. Fans can expect the Victor Wembanyama x Nike GT Cut 4 All-Star to drop in February 2026 at select Nike basketball stores and on Nike.com.